So since YouTube paid me my first paycheck, my life has never remained the same. Yeah, I was actually a professional forex trader and I was making some good money, which I'm still making some good money from forex trading. And I intended teaching someone how to make money via YouTube. So, all these things that people say, okay, you're teaching me how to do something and you're not doing it yourself. You've not gotten anything from the same thing yourself. So, trying to make the person understand that YouTube actually pays. I had to open a YouTube myself and then start uploading videos. Yeah, it took about a year of unseriousness. Eventually, one good month I got serious, and within a month or two, I got monetized. And within 2 months, this is what I earned. Let's go to my dashboard to see what I earned within 2 months. So guys, within 2 months, this is how much this YouTube channel earned. You could see the way it is very small right here. So the channel was monetized for 2 months, and after 2 months, the AdSense that got connected to this channel had some issue because the AdSense was connected to several other products like website and stuff. So the website had the issue and it affected the AdSense that eventually affected the YouTube channel. So right now, so it was about $1,152, and ever since I've also been able to monetize other channels, and you could see some of the videos earn over $456, just one single video. Some earn over $300. So now this is not all of it. I earn over $30,000 alone from sponsorship, side gigs, and consultancy from this channel alone. So here's what basically others are not telling you about YouTube channels. YouTube channel is beyond just AdSense monetization. YouTube channel is the main monetization where the bulk of the money is in other products that you offer within the channels. Some of these other products include like an affiliate links to something, or a recurrent affiliate, or consultation, or courses, or whatever product that you have to offer in the description of your videos or within your channels, or everything should be tailored down to the content, the niche that you make video in. So that's where the bulk of the money is, because this audience watching your videos, they also want to engage, want to get in touch with what you offer in the videos and stuff like that. So for instance, no matter the niche you are in, there is always a product for whatever niche you are in. Whether you are in the news or media industry, you could have affiliate link to cameras, you could have affiliate links, on how you edit your videos and stuff like that. If you are in like the crypto niche, you could offer consultation and other things. So you just have to find a product like that. And now when you get this product, now how do you get your payment? How do you get people to interact? What page do you use? Now, you use free marketplaces like Seller. I don't know, most of you should know Seller. Seller is a free marketplace where you can register a product, people can buy, and then if it's a digital product, they can download it automatically. If it's like consultation, they will just automatically have your phone number after they, after they accepted or, paid for the offer or something. So you use free marketplaces like that, and then you get things running. Okay.